warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let us introduce ourselves. We are Group 10, consisting of Lisa Fauzatunisa, Erinda Ivanta Aquilia, Ikma Sofa Faiza, Arina Rizky Utami, and Savana Aquilia. On this session, we will present the result of our observations, which we have concluded into a poster titled "Rivers are our responsibility." Regarding the condition of the Kalisari Daman River located near the Mulyasari and Pakuan City areas in Surabaya. We conducted this observation to assess the river's environmental condition, identify exciting issues, evaluate their impact on the ecosystem, and propose solutions to ensure the river's sustainability. In addition to direct field observations, we also interviewed local residents to gather more comprehensive information about the river's current state. Based on our initial observations, the Kalisari Daman River still serves an important function for the community and the living creatures around it. However, we also identified several environmental issues that require collective attention. My colleague will now explain the general condition of the river based on the observations we have conducted.
Erinda Ivanta Aquilia, the next speaker, and I will be discussing the general condition of the river based on observation. The river we observation in the Kalisari Daman River. Location near the 10 November Institute of Technology Reservoir, specifically on the border between Mulyasari and Pakuan City. Based on our observation and tools of localization, the river condition is style condition fairly good because water flows years on and the river never completely dries up. During the dry season, the water flow is discreet, but the river considered to flow. Suddenly, this river style serves as a habitat for tourists, living creatures. This is evident from the presence of fish still living in the river. However, we also observe that water quality is beginning to dazzling. The river water observed fully turbid and that to be dark in color to man, sedimen, and the possible presence of domestic obstacle entering the river. In some sections of the river, there is also a significant amount of aquatic vegetation that is being to cover the river surface. This condition can export water from and degrade the river's environmental quality if to at least partly. Based on the observation, we consider that the Kalisari Daman River style has good potential as a habitat for living organisms, but is already southeast of the challenging environmental quality. My colleagues will explain the various issues we attention during observation.
Okay, next up is Ikma Sofa Faiza, who will continue the explanation from the provision material. Now, regarding the environmental issues identified. Based on our observation, we identified several environmental issues that are critically visible in the Kalisari Daman rivers. The first issue is dust pollution for solid plastic waste and household dust floating in the river's surface and cleaning up all in the river banks. Second, issue is excessive growth of acuity plants. In some parts of the rivers, there are many acuity plants and weeds that are beginning to cover the river's surface. The condition can reduce the oxygen level in the water and impede river flow. The third issue is sedimentation or recirculation. The excrement of acuity plants, mud and dust indication a sedimentation process that can pollute the rivers because of flowers. Condition persists, the river's capacity to hold water if decreased, thereby increasing the risk of flooding during the rainy season. Additionally, pollution and gangs in river conditions also have the potential to disrupt the ecosystem, balance and reduce the biodiversity living within it. Nevertheless, observation indicate that the rivers is still capable of supporting the lives of some organisms. This will be explained in more detail by my colleague in the next section.
Hi, I am Arina Rizky Utami, and I'll continue my colleague's explanation. During our direct observation, we saw several incidents fishing around the Kalisari Daman River. Based on this observation, we conclude that the river remains a habitat for fish and other aquatic organisms, allowing the community to continue benefiting from it. Our conclusion was further supported by an interview with one of the local residents, Mr. Kartono and his son. According to Mr. Katono, people still use the river to search for and capture fish. In fact, there are still fish that residents can catch. This statement aligns with what were observed first time at the sea. The correlation between the observation result and the interview findings indicate that the river's condition is beginning to deteriorate due to trust. As I said, aquatic vegetation and sedimentation, the river ecosystem is capable of supporting the lives of several aquatic organisms. In addition, Mr. Katono also mentioned that the government occasionally dragged the river to reduce siltation caused by sedimentation. He hopes the river will return to its pristine condition of 12 years ago, as currently aquatic vegetation is increasing and is starting to impede the river's flow. Based on this observation in interview, we conclude that the Kalisari Daman River still serves important ecological and social function for the community. However, this condition must be maintained to prevent further damage in the future. We colleagues will explain possible solutions to address this issue.
Next, I am Savannah Pindial will explain our group proposal solution. Based on the observation and interview, we have conducted there are several solutions that can be implemented to maintain and improve the condition of the Kalisari Daman River. First, dredge the river vertically to reduce sedimentation and prevent the river from silting up. Second, regularly remove trash and aquatic plants to keep the river flowing smoothly and maintain water quality. Third, improve the management of household waste before it is disposed of into the environment to prevent river pollution. Fourth, raise public awareness through environmental education regarding the importance of maintaining river cleanliness. Five, strengthen cooperation between the government and the community in preserving the river's sustainability.
In conclusion, based on the material we have discussed and the observations we have made, the Kalisari Daman River still holds significant potential as a habitat for living organisms and continues to be utilized by the local community, particularly for fishing. This is evidenced by our direct observations of residents fishing in the river and supported by our interview with Mr. Kartono, who stated that the community still relies on the river for fishing. However, we also identified several environmental issues such as trash pollution, excessive growth of aquatic plants, declining water quality, and sedimentation, which can disrupt the river's ecological balance. Therefore, collaboration between the community and the government is crucial to maintaining the river's cleanliness and sustainability so that it remains a source of life for humans, animals, and plants. Before concluding our presentation, here we would like to share a few messages if we were the river.
If we were the river we observe, we would communicate with the animals, birds, fish, and others. To the first, birds and other living creatures that live or feed around us. We apologize for the lack of cleanliness and conform in your environment. We hope you continue to enjoy your time here. We also hope that more people will care and help keep our environment clean so that we can be a healthier and safer home for you.
Beware the river we observe. I would say to humanity, to the local community, we want to say that we are not just a place where water flows, but also an important part of the environment and a source of life for many living creatures. Currently, our condition is beginning to be disrupted by trash and excessive aquatic vegetation. Therefore, we hope you will care more about use and not treat use as a dumping ground for trash or waste. What you do use will ultimately affect your own lives. If you take good care of yours, we can remain a healthy habitat for fish and other living creatures, help prevent flooding, and provide benefits to the surrounding community. In line with the message we conveyed in our poster, a river is not a dumping ground, a river is a source of life. Let's work together to keep the river clean, healthy, and beneficial for both current and future generations. That concludes our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.